If you like to backpack, hike, climb, or run rivers, you need the ultralight and watertight 0.7. At a little over 6 ounces, this kit is designed for adventures where every ounce counts, and exposure to the elements will be an issue. Inside the 0.7, everything is protected in a tough, Dry-Flex waterproof bag. Everything is stored inside of an ultralight sil nylon bag that is seam sealed to provide layers of protection. Rain, snow, water, sandstorms, nothing will get inside these bags. Inside, you will find quality supplies you have come to expect from Adventure Medical Kits, including butterfly wound closure strips to close wound edges, sterile dressings, bandages, antibiotic equipment, and antiseptic pellets to dress wounds and help prevent infection. Pre-cut and shaved moleskin blister dressings make easy work of treating blisters and hot spots. No scissors required. Inside are medications for muscle inflammation, pain, and allergic reactions. Our exclusive precision-pointed splinter pickers will help you remove the finest of slivers and ticks. And duct tape for everything else. The ultralight watertight 0.7 is designed for 1 to 2 people for up to 4 days and will help you treat the minor or major illnesses and injuries, and to get you back on your feet, in your kayak, or on your bike as quickly as possible. Tested, abused, and approved by adventure racers all over the world, the ultralight watertight series will be up to any adventure you throw at it.
I am testing the Kaido KA600 Voyager Pro. This is the unit that you get when you've had all the other Kaidos and you're ready to graduate up to the next level. It's one of Kaido's typical hand crank radios. It competes very well with a Grundig or an Eaton radio, although its purpose is a little bit different. This is a hand crank survival radio, which is perfect for 72-hour kit or a bug out bag or survival backpack. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is its digital display and digital keypad. There's no knobs and stuff like that. Now, there is a manual tuning knob here, but you can enter these things in electronically as well. And you notice that I've got a really amazing feature set. First of all, I got a backlit screen, which is a first for a Kaido. I've never seen one yet that has this. It's got temperature and humidity, which how awesome is that? Basically, you've got the time, what channel you're on, whether your weather alert alarm is set, and battery life. And you can see that if I take and crank using the hand crank mechanism, give me just a little bit, put that away, and it'll tell me my current battery state, which fluctuates. In reality, you've got to charge it for about a minute in order to get about 30 minutes worth of use. But let me take you through the rest of it. Like other Kaidos, it's got 3 battery selector switches: battery, solar crank, or AC adapter. It does not include an AC adapter. That's one of the gripes I have with the radio. If you're going to spend this much, you might as well get the adapter. But here's the solar crank feature, the tuning and the volume for the radio. All you do is you click the FM or AM button, whichever one you want, and you just basically take out the antenna. Now, also, one other thing I want to show you on this is it's got a straight antenna, not a folding antenna. This is a lot stronger. I really like how that comes straight out of there as opposed to folding and then coming up. Okay, you have your solar panel,